Good morning, everyone. I'm really happy about today's class. Today, we're going to have a topic that you might feel interesting. I know that you all like sports and everything, and this topic might be interesting to you. So I'll show you a picture and you can guess the topic. Yes, excellent. We're talking about healthy versus unhealthy food. And by the end of this class, we're all going to write a paragraph. If you remember last time, we had the steps of writing a well-structured paragraph in an academic way. So today we're going to write about healthy food and unhealthy food. Before we start writing, I want you to watch this video and I want you to take notes of what are the points mentioned of the healthy habits that we can have as human beings. Of course, you can check your points together after the video as a team. Excellent job. Now, no, not yet. We're not going to write now. As usual, we're going to have a very simple reading, and there are some vocabulary in this reading that are underlined. I want you to read it and let me know what are the things that have been mentioned for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And I want every team to get the 4 words that are underlined, to check your dictionary and find the meaning. Yes, you're gonna be autonomous learner this time, and we're just gonna check the words and the meaning together. Excellent job, everybody. Your ideas on the reading and the meaning of the vocabulary that you got is perfectly correct. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to write a paragraph about how to stay healthy and fit, and what kind of food that we can have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But before we start writing the paragraph, what was the step before writing? Excellent. We're going to brainstorm the ideas in our team. You got 2 minutes to brainstorm the ideas you want. Your ideas have been perfect, and now we're going to make an organized mind map or an outline for your paragraph. I'm gonna go around and check your work to make sure that everybody is having relevant ideas. Your outline was great, everybody, and I'm really happy that you made the minor modifications that we have discussed together while I was passing you around. Now I want you to start writing the first draft, and after you finish it, we're going to check everybody's work together as teams, and you're going to give feedback to your friends, and I'm gonna give you feedback as well. Your writing with your team was great, everybody. Thank you so much. Now what we're going to do now is time for the assignment. For the next class, you're going to write a paragraph about how to stay healthy and what kind of food that you'd like to eat. Yes, it is a very similar topic that we have done today. It's almost the same. You can make changes, like you can add unhealthy food that you can avoid, or make any changes that you like. So you're going to do this, but the same task that we have done today, but this time it's not going to be in teams. It's going to be individually, to make it easy for you to rely on what we have taken today. Yes, Mona? Of course, you can use the reading, and you can use the listening that we had, and the new vocabulary, and also the ideas that you have checked with everybody's work to make something of your own. And remember, we never plagiarize. Excellent job, everybody. See you in the coming class.